6:48. Thank you for waking up with us. Hunter, you're going to need that sunscreen handy today, huh?
That is for sure. A very high UV index is going to be in place just because of how sunny today is going to be, Ryan. And that is going to be the case over the next few days, albeit starting tomorrow we'll have a general mix of sun and clouds. Today, I doubt we'll see any clouds develop thanks to a lot of subsidence. It is basically sinking motion in our atmosphere that is prohibiting any clouds, any storms, any rain showers from forming. That's why we have the beautiful blue sky this morning looking south on Highway 52, 61 degrees right now, a light west wind, dew point in the upper 50s. It's keeping us pretty comfortable, but some of us holding with dew points in the low to mid 60s, still a bit muggy as you step out the door. It's not terrible by any means, but it's going to be getting worse as we go throughout the rest of this week. In terms of radar, no rain, no clouds to speak of, just some artifacts at the ground the radar beam is picking up on. High pressure is in place for the entire northern tier of the United States. A very nice sunny day is on tap for many Americans today and even up into Canada too. Now we're going to be climbing into the mid 80s today for everybody. A very nice, slightly above average day, but heading into the next few days, thanks to south winds that will be starting to crank into tomorrow, our temperatures, humidity values, both will be increasing. We do have a low-end severe weather threat for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, into the early overnight hours, a level 1 out of 5 risk for everyone. Will everyone see storms? No, they're going to be isolated to scattered in nature, but if you do, you have that threat for 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. It's all thanks to those ridge-riding short waves coming around the northern periphery of this high-pressure system to our south. As it moves eastward, the peak axis of this ridge is going to park itself right over us by the 4th of July. So it does appear the peak heat and humidity of this high pressure system will land on the holiday. So we will be dealing with that very humid to maybe even oppressive humidity values, dew points around 70 to 75 more than likely, before things start to decrease for our Sunday as north winds finally return. So over the next 10 days, we're going to be climbing from today onwards through July 4th, 90 for a high temperature to wrap up the work week. We do have an afternoon and evening storm chance into the overnight too, so we'll eye out that chance for some postponements of firework displays. That will be unfortunate, but hopefully we'll be able to squeak it out. Heading into the weekend, we finally cool off, humidity lowers, but the storm chances continue all the way through next week.